Welcome back guys sa aking channel at dito nga ay didiscuss ko ang solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots. Ito ay didiscuss ko ng simple at madaling intindihin. Kung bago ka lang po nanood sa aking channel, please subscribe po and hit the notification bell para updated ka po sa mga sunod-sunod na videos na i-upload ko dito. As I said before, on this video, I will discuss solving quadratic equation and this is extracting square roots. Pakita ko muna sa inyo ang tabulations ng squared number and square roots. Ipinapakita diyan na ang lahat ng squared numbers ay meron siyang perfect square root. Halimbawa, yung 6 squared equals 36. Ibig sabihin, ang square root ng 36 is positive and negative 6. Halimbawa, si 11 squared equals 121. Square root of 121 is positive and negative 11. Note, bawat square root ay may dalawang value, the positive and negative. Yung positive, ang tawag doon ay principal root. All quadratic equations that can be written in the form of x squared equals k can be solved by applying the following properties. Property number 1, if k is greater than 0, then x squared equals k has two real roots or solutions. Property number 2, if k is equal to 0, then x squared equals k has one real solutions or roots. And property number 3, if k is less than 0, then x squared equals k has no real solutions or roots. Again, the method of solving quadratic equations in the form of x squared equals k is by extracting square roots. Let us take some examples of quadratic equations that can be solved by extracting square root. Number 1, x squared equals 36. To solve, get or extract the square root both sides. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 36 is positive and negative 6. Therefore, the value of x equals positive and negative 6. Number 2 example, x squared minus 81 equals 0. First thing to do is transpose negative 81 from left to positive 81 to the right. Next, extract square root both sides. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 81 is positive and negative 9. Therefore, x equals positive and negative 9. Problem number 3. 9x squared minus 4 equals 0. Again, transpose negative 4 from left to positive 4 to the right. Extract square root both sides. Square root of 9x squared is 3x. Square root of 4 is plus and minus 2. Divide 3 both sides. Cancel 3 from x. Therefore, the value of x are positive and negative 2/3. Example number 4. 5x squared minus 45 equals 0. Again, transpose negative 45 from left to positive 45 to the right. Since 5 is not a squared number, we cannot get or extract square root. What shall we do first is divide 5 both sides. So cancel ang 5 from x squared. 45 divided by 5 is 9. Extract square root both sides. Therefore, the value of x equals positive and negative 3. Problem number 5. Quantity x minus 80 squared minus 144 equals 0. Transpose 144 to the right, it will become positive. So we have quantity x minus 8 squared equals 144. To remove squared, extract square root both sides. Square root of quantity x minus 8 squared is x minus 8. Square root of 144 equals positive and negative 12. Then, transpose negative 8 to positive 8 to the right. So, we have 8 plus and minus 12. To solve them separately, our x sub 1 or the first value of x is 8 plus 12. X sub 2 or the second value is 8 minus 12. Solve individually. 8 plus 12 equals 20. 8 minus 12 equals negative 4. Therefore, the values of x are 20 and negative 4. Number 6. Quantity 2x plus 3 squared equals 225. Extract square root both sides. Square root of quantity 2x plus 3 squared equals 2x plus 3. Square root of 225 is plus and minus 15. Transpose positive 3 from left to negative 3 to the right. So we have 2x equals positive and negative 15 minus 3. Divide 2 both sides, cancel 2 from x. Our temporary values of x is plus and minus 15 minus 3 all over 2. So our x sub 1 or the first value is 15 minus 3 over 2. 15 minus 3 is 12 divided by 2 equals 6. For the second value, negative 15 minus 3 equals negative 18 divided by 2 equals negative 9. Therefore, the values of x are 6 and negative 9. Seventh and last problem for this video. 4x squared plus 100 equals 0. Transpose 100 to negative 100 to the right. So we have 4x squared equals negative 100. Divide 4 both sides. So cancel ang 4 from x squared. Negative 100 divided by 4. So we have x squared equals negative 25. This problem is different from above because the value of k is negative. Since k is less than 0, property number 3 states that if k is less than 0, then x squared equals k has no real solutions or roots. Therefore, that particular problem has no real solutions or roots. Kung nakatulong po at nagustuhan ninyo ang video, please like. At paki-share na rin po para tuloy-tuloy ang pagtulong natin sa iba.